Watch the full video please.
Dang, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Get it, we got the King of Washington style in the building, man. Sheesh. What you do with your hair, man? What's the first move? Wet your hair? Wet your hair? Oh, I was wrong. Let's see what you gonna do. Comb? Dang. Use the wide side, bro. Use the wide side. There you go. Use the wide side. Comb that joint. Wet your hair. You ain't gotta throw the comb like that. He ain't do none of you. He ain't even wet his hair. See, he's so good at washing and styling his hair. He don't even need to wet it for the lather. That's why it's my dude right here, man. He don't need to wear his hair to get it to lather. Feel me? Nice lather and everything. What's the brush? Get that brush. Oh, he combing that junk. He don't even need no brush. He like, nah, I don't need no brush. 360 juice. There you go. Get that great lather. Get that junk to lay down. You feel me? Then rag up. Let's get it. That's how you do, man. Why you rinsing like that in the tub? Let me see that unrag. There you go. To waves, wash, and style. You messed up with that end. It's end. A-N-D. Or the end sign. Get all the... I don't know what he just said. Rinse it all out. Alright, that's the first wash. Do it again. Okay. Okay. You know what you're doing. Do it again. What's next? Apply more shampoo. What's next? Do I even gotta talk no more? I don't gotta talk no more. Alright? He know what he doing. Okay, 5 minutes later, keep doing it. Alright, let me see that brush now. Great lather and every... Come on, bro. You didn't have to do that. Alright, apply some more shampoo if you wanted to, you know, just to get it lathered a little bit more. Okay. I'm liking this dude, man. I like him. I like him. I didn't even see that much lather, but okay. Let me see the unwrap. Here's the results. Why is it black and white? I can't really see nothing. But I do see a little bit of definition. I see silkiness. I liked it. You did good. Hey, man. It makes me so happy seeing people from all over the world attempting to get waves or trying to do waves or even brushing to get waves. Like, it just makes me feel so happy about what I do. You know, teaching people how to get waves. I know I'm mean all the time when I'm teaching you how to get waves or what to do, what not to do, what you need to do to get better. But, you know, that's just how I am. It makes it entertaining, and that's why I do it. I don't want to be nice all the time, you feel me? Great lather, by the way, dude. But, yeah, it makes me feel so happy seeing people from all over the world trying to do waves. But, yeah, let's get right into this, man. Where is the lather, bro? I don't see any lather on your head. It's gone. Hey, you better be spinning when you take that do-rag off, man. I ain't playing. I'm going to tell you what you need to work on. I like that silky do-rag, though. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Washing style time. You better chill out, bro. You better know what you're doing, bro. That's the detailing shower brush? I'm so lost right now. I see gray lather. That's all I see. If you... Bro, what's going on right now? I'm so lost. Oh, heck nah. Here. This is the goal of the washing style, man. You want to try to get the ultimate lather. Like, lathering is really like the heart of the washing style. If you wash in style and don't get no lather, what was the point? Because when you get that lather, you actually get your hair to lay down the way you want it to. When you get that lather, you actually cleaning your hair. When you get that lather, you actually get your hair to move the way you want it to. When you get that lather, you actually progressing. All right, get that lather going and have a good washing style. From hot top to waves, that's impossible. You bugging. You ain't gonna do that. That joint look like a freaking 54-week wolf, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Show me. Show me how this is possible. My dude got zero curl. Hold that thought. Hold up. I was about to say something, but he probably just... He shut me up, so I want to see something. I want to see something. I want to... Bruh. How? What in the sorcery? No. No. This got to be witchcraft. How in the world How? That's impossible. He had to get a haircut or something. He cut that junk off. I don't believe that. You think I believe that? So my dude about to try to get waves, wet hair, cool. Brush hair with light lather to clean hair first. Okay, dope. Light lather. First wash is always to clean your hair. Scramble with water and little shampoo. Scramble lather. What's that? That's your second wash, right? Yeah, it looks like your second wash because your second wash always lathers the most. Brush hair and enjoy the lather. Of course. You know I love the lather, man. You know I love that. That's what I look for when you do your washing styles, man. Okay. Apply conditioner. You put conditioner with the shampoo on top. Wait, I'm confused. Did you rinse out the shampoo before adding? Alright. That's besides the point. Let's get it. Let me see the unrag, bro. Wash. Hold up. You mean rinse? Alright, that's besides the point. Let's get it. Unrag. Put your head down. Oh, in the mirror. Oh, I see great shine, but I don't see no connections. No. You gotta work on your connections. But good tuto waves. What the heck is tuto waves? Tuto? Ooh, what? Maybe speaking. Oh, my boy speaking French. Lavez vos cheveux avec du shampooing. Feel me? Get that first wash in. Peigner vers l'avant vos cheveux. Jeez, I forgot what that meant. But yo, where's the lather? Where's the lather? I don't know how to say that in French. Rincer. No, you're not supposed to rincer le cheveux yet. Don't do that yet. Okay. Put more shampoo. Alright, you had me there for a second, buddy. What the? Come on, bruh. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? What are you doing? Quoi? Qui ça? Quoi? You spinning though, but you messed up. You messed up the ribs. You messed it up. For everyone that watches my videos and hear everything I say about waves, y'all know I'm big on lather. Like when you get lather like this is how you know you're doing something, man. This list to waves in 60 seconds. I hope you know that means no part 2, right? All in one part. That's what that means. So no part 2s. But let's see what you got. Your hair looks like it got some curls in there, so I'm thinking it's gonna work out for you. But let's just see. Wet your hair. Okay, you did that. Good job. Good job. Step 3. Wait, what? He mad behind. He on step 3 and you on step 2 still. Alright, brush that in. Make sure you get a good lather, bro. Make sure you get a good lather, because I'm big on lather. If you don't, it's starting to lather up pretty good. You should add more shampoo so you could get it to lather more. The more it lathers, the more it lays down. Oh, see, you don't listen. That's why you're just gonna turn out trash. Watch. I do not see the prints through that do-rag, so I know you ain't wavy. Matter of fact, straight hair wavy. I'm gonna be a little upset with this reaction because the dude before you, he made me mad. You feel me? He was doing nonsense, and then he didn't show me the results of the washing style. So I'm gonna take that anger out on you. Hope you don't mind. All right, let's get it. All right, great lather, great start. Where's your detangling shower brush? Your hair is all tangled up right now. You need a detangling shower brush to detangle your hair. All right. What's next? I love the lather, bro. I love it. You need to rub your hand over your hair so you can lay it down. All right. That's what you need to do. I don't care about that do-rag. That just look crazy. Get your 2/6 king wavy do-rag. I don't care about that. And you better not say life apart, because if you do, I'm logging off TikTok for life. And the video almost over. I ain't seen no unrag. Okay, there you go. Your waves are very tiny, wolf, but you looking good though. Good job. Still took out. I know you're gonna pull this one off, bro. Your curls are elite, bro. They're gonna be some nice medium textured waves, bro. Like, if you do it correctly though. So that's what I'm here for. Alright, I'm about to hike on you if you don't do it right. What the heck is that you using? What type of shampoo is that again? That shampoo you be seeing in commercials, that's the craziest shampoo you can use. Don't use that no more, alright? That Head and Shoulders shampoo. What is that? And I don't see no lather. What you doing? Okay, there you go. But it's going. I'm disappointed, bro. It's not. Your hair's not even laying down because the lather is nowhere to be found. You need more lather, bro. Next one. Oh my. This man look like Mega Man with the long head. Let me see the unrag, bro. Let me just see the. Stop making love to the water. Let me see the unrag. Do not say life part 2 because we fighting.